I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the all-new Taichi GP-WRX R306 Tech Air Alpine Stars Tech Air Race Compatible Race Suit. Okay, let's open up by talking about who is this suit right for. This suit is right for racers, track day riders at any level. If you're looking for that premium product, the best of the best in protection, okay, this suit is right for you. Like I mentioned in the title, this integrates directly with the all-new Alpine Stars Tech Air Race Airbag Vest system. Zips right in, which is nice. Now, not everyone's going to use that, okay? So there are benefits that are picked up with this suit for riders that are going to ride with just a standard back protector. We'll touch on that too. This is an all-around premium, great race suit. Okay, now let's talk sizing. Steve's going to show you some different clips here. Me wearing the suit with the airbag in, without the airbag in. Because remember, it's designed to be used both ways. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds. I got about a 33-inch waist right now in reasonably decent shape. This is a 56 euro. I would rate this for me as a race fit. A little bit of break-in required, but the suit fits me well. Tons of stretch fabric in it, tons of stretch material to accommodate for possible airbag inflation. Really help this thing move even better on your body. RS Taichi suits really lend themselves more to people that are in decent shape. They don't have a lot of additional space around the midsection. It's important to note that. Okay, what do I like about this suit and what don't I like about it? What I like about it? Well, let's start off with the obvious, man. That partnership they formed with Alpine Stars is absolutely kick-ass. That allows you to get this suit and install the Tech Air Race airbag system in it. So I really like that a lot. That's the best of the best in terms of protective technology for the racetrack today. I truly believe that. Other things I like about it, the level of perforation that this suit offers. Okay, it's the most perforated suit on the market right now that takes an airbag. That's huge because adding the airbag, you do add a layer and it increases heat a little bit, so it's nice to have a way to help move that hot air away from the rider. The quality of the suit, the quality of the materials that are used here. This stuff is all top shelf. They're really particular over at Taichi. I like that quite a bit. That's another big benefit. Things like the stretch fabric, that's the higher end stuff that they use here. We've got elbow sliders. They're not replaceable, so you know what, if you're fast enough and you hang off enough to scratch that up, you can walk around with that forever. It's amazing. Shoulder slider. Replaceable knee pucks, got a little knee slider there that's stitched on attached to the suit. I like all that, really like the quality. Something else that I dig is the armor that comes in the suit, elbow, forearm, and shoulder, all CE certified BTAC stuff. Really nice, moldable, flexible, comfortable. Now let's talk about the liner. Why do I like the liner? What I dig that they did here is they've eliminated Velcro attachment. There you go, man. That's a zipper in the cuff. That's a zipper down at the ankle, and then it zips around the torso. It's their T-dry fabric. I really dig that too. Super high end, okay? I like the fit. I love this suit. I'm going to be honest with you. I really dig this suit. They did a fantastic job. I've been waiting to see this, waiting to try it on. What don't I like about it? There's actually nothing I dislike about this suit. I think the suit overall, I think they did everything that they should. I think the price point's really fair too. At $16.99 as the filming of this video. This thing, in my mind, for an airbag compatible suit, is a tremendous value. Okay, now let's go ahead and hit features and benefits of the suit. Obvious one is accepts the airbag system sold separate if you're interested in that. Another real benefit to it is if you're not going to be an airbag wearer, okay, the suit has all this additional stretch paneling. I mean, look at this. It rolls all the way over to the front of the suit, down the back, right into that torso area. Larger stretch is used in the waist. Larger stretch is used in the elbow. Ample use of shoulder Keprotect. That's the best stuff right there. So you pick up all these additional motion panels whether you are using the airbag or not. So it just makes the suit move better on your body. I think that is a great feature. Quality materials with this is also huge. Taichi does a great job of selecting the right stuff for their suits. Level of perforation, This is the highest you'll find. Nobody perforates their suits more than Taichi does, and they do it in a way that structurally the suit has tremendous integrity. So if you like to be cool when you're out there on the track racing or doing track days, this is a great option for sure. Elbow slider, shoulder slider, replaceable knee puck, knee slider above that one's stitched on like the elbow slider is. All YKK zips all the way through, and you'll find with Taichi too, when you compare them to some of the other brands, like even the zips are just a little tick above what some of the other competitors are using. High-end stretch fabric. The stitching that they used on the stretch too, here in the arms, is really important. You can see this is all double stitched, okay? Multiple stitches help reduce the possibility of this failing. This part right here, okay, if this seam wears through, you have another one on the back side. Every manufacturer is a little bit different, but Taichi does a good job of fortifying that area that is structurally very vulnerable, okay? Tons of stretch. The stretch is perforated. Get inside the suit. You've got a double layer of leather here in the seat. That's the real abrasion area. A lot of the slides are done on the back and the seat. They do a lot to fortify that. Look at the safety seams in here. Once again, it's taped, glued, stitched, multiple levels of stitching, okay? Here's the harness for the airbag system. Little additional collarbone padding up here in the collarbone area. Note, there's a hole there. You can remove this if you need the extra space. I actually like that. Helps you tune the fit of the suit just a little bit. Get down to the leg. Tons of perforated motion panel here. High-end stretch fabric. The whole leg is perforated. Helps to reduce the heat for sure. Nice YKK locking zip down here. The liner zips in. That's nice. Back of the suit. Large panels of leather are used. Perforated hump. Hollow hump. Helps to allow air to flow in and out. We've got a stretch fabric collar, and look at how easy that stretches. Okay, that's to help this thing move on your body, especially if you're using the airbag in it. Perforated panel here on the side, out of the impact zone. You can really see in the impact and slide zones, they don't use the perforation there. They put it in the areas that typically do not touch the ground. It makes the suit safer. The liner is removable and washable. If you're going to wash this, you want to hand wash the liner. The shoulder armor is held into a pocket. Let's see if I can find one of the sleeves here for you that has it in. Right here. There's your shoulder armor. They're using BTAC, CE certified. It's low profile, moldable, real flexible stuff like that. CE certified, of course. The liner zips in at the cuffs, the ankles, and the torso. No Velcro with the liner. I really dig that. It's their T-dry material. This is probably one of the nicest liners you'll ever pull out of a race suit, and I think that at the end of the day, that's actually not a bad thing. Foam inserts. We have foam inserts in the hip to help manage impacts. These can be removed. There's a little opening in the pocket. Pull that out. Foam here on the side to help bolster protection in that area as well. Opening there to remove that. You'll do that if you're going to wash it, or if you just need the extra space. Up here in the bicep area, they have a little piece of foam. You're able to pull this out if you need to, okay, for extra space, or if you're washing the liner. Always hand wash, mild detergent, line dry. Elbow armor, VTEC, CE certified. Nice and flexible, very comfortable when it warms. Knee and shin. And here is that hollow race hump. Okay, so here it is. We're going to open up with what everybody wants to see. This Taichi 306 accepts the Alpine Stars Tech Air Race airbag system. I'm going to show you what it takes to install that right now. First thing you have to do is this suit comes with a foam back pad in it that's fairly thick. That needs to be removed. That's in there for sizing primarily. If you're just trying the suit on in a shop or for the first time, that's what that would be in there for. And that's going to add thickness to it. And with the airbag, that's the last thing that you want to do, is have more thickness than you really need. Because, of course, with the airbag, you have all the protection you could ever want in that upper body area. So unzip the sleeve like I showed you. There's a zipper in here in the liner and the torso. Then pull the sleeve out like so. And here is that foam insert right here. Fold it up like a taco and slide it right out of the pocket. And you can see that it's fairly substantial. Okay, it's going to take up some room. Now, zip the liner back in, and then we'll jump into the airbag installation. Okay, you can see the yellow zippers. The breast of the suit, you're going to unzip the other zip half. Let's go ahead and put that to the side with that foam back pad. Do that on each side. Your wiring harness is right here. Okay, this is what's going to connect the unit to the suit, the bag, and of course the indicator lights on the left sleeve. Want to make sure you've got it switched on, which is in the up direction. Plug in to the gray port. Hear that positive engagement? Give it a light tug to make sure you got it. Now you're ready to dip it into the suit. You've got Velcro attachment points. Sleeve, shoulder, and back here at the base of the neck. You have zippers on each breast right here. They're going to zip down, attach it to the suit. What I like to do is I like to start with one of the sleeves. I'll grab the suit and kind of distort it just a little bit. Hopefully Steve's able to catch this. Kind of pull the liner out. You can see those Velcro patches that are going to align with those on the airbag. Line them up as precisely as you can. Make sure you've got that all tucked in. The shoulder is a circle. Put that into position. From there, I'll do the same thing on the other arm. Just kind of pull this all down into the suit now. Over here on the other side. Expose that. Grab that other sleeve. Shoulder. And now to the base of the neck. This is, essentially the same attachment system and style as we see with the Alpine Star suits that integrate with the Tech Air Race. Okay. Now we can zip it up. We have other videos that focus on using the bag itself. I mean, they made this really super user-friendly. So you want to defer to those if you have questions. Zip it all the way down, like so. There you have it. That is how you install the Alpine Star's Tech Air Race Vest into the all-new Taichi 306 Tech Air compatible suit. Okay, my closing thoughts. Well, I mean, that's going to be really, really easy. Taichi's made this really easy here. Love this partnership, man. Two great companies in the motorcycle industry, the protective gear space, coming together to make that happen. That's badass, because the truth is this. Taichi doesn't have the same scale that Alpine Stars does to develop technology like that. I mean, imagine the scope of the company it takes to make something like this happen. They just don't have that, but they make some badass products, some great race suits. So having the ability to zip that in here, really helps take this to the next level. Beyond that, the suit is awesome, whether you're going to use the airbag or not. If you're looking at this, you've watched this video, this thing's in your price range, pull the trigger, size it up right, you'll be glad you did. I'm Brian Van, sportbiketrackgear.com.